No buyouts of their property anytime soon for neighbors forced out by the sinkhole in Assumption Parish.
Yeah, they had to pack up and leave last August. And now Texas Bryan is putting the blame on its insurance companies. News 2's Adrian Pittman is live in Bayou Corn getting answers on why this buyout is on hold.
Governor Jindal says Texas Bryan needs to get his act together or face some serious consequences. Now, it's been 55 days since Texas Bryan started the buyout process, but still no proposals for homeowners. That means Texas Bryan is 25 days behind schedule with offering those proposals. Today in a letter, the Bryan company says it's ready to make proposals, but its insurance company is not ready to settle. As for the governor, he's not buying that excuse.
It has become clear to me that Texas Bryan is simply trying to run out the clock. They're hiding behind their lawyers, their lobbyists, their insurance companies. Enough is enough.
Now, Governor Jindal said he plans to review the permits for Texas Bryan, and that company could face anywhere from litigation from the state to also being asked to remove from Louisiana. In Bayou Corn, Adrian Pittman, WBRZ, Balance News.
Thank you, Adrian.
Donna Williams reports the governor is now ready to put Texas Bryan out of business.
People have been told day after day that buyout offers are coming tomorrow. Not one offer has been made.
And that, the governor says, is completely unacceptable.
I've been living in a camper trailer for 9 months.
Henry Welsh's story is similar to hundreds of other residents who used to call Bayou Corn home.
You're mad as hell. Well, guess what? We are with you.
It's been almost a year since the sinkhole started posing problems. It was last May when residents first noticed bubbling in the bayou. The sinkhole has since grown more than 9 acres. Texas Bryan is the company being blamed for it. Many residents asked the company to buy out their properties. Governor Jindal says on March 14th, Texas Bryan finally promised to have properties inspected and make homeowners an offer within 30 to 45 days. Those first checks should have gone out last week, but now the governor says the payout on 66 properties is past due.
And I can tell you from my perspective, after all is said and done, Texas Bryan is bad business.
Residents got a letter today saying Texas Bryan would not be able to pay because their insurance carriers told them they are not prepared to support the payout process. Spokesman Sonny Cranch says they had previously been on board.
Why would they say no?
Well, unfortunately, I'm not privileged to that information. That's something that's being discussed between our attorneys and their attorneys.
People are not just fed up, some are in tears and tired of being given the runaround. The governor says he too has had enough of Texas Bryan's excuses. He's issued an executive order to have all of Texas Bryan's permits reviewed. In all, there are 15, from the sinkhole here to 2 other projects in Iberville and Lafourche parishes.
If they don't have the wherewithal, if they don't have the flexibility, if they don't have the authority to make it right, to keep their word to the people of Louisiana, then maybe they shouldn't have the ability to operate in the state of Louisiana.
Tiana Williams, WAFB 9 News.
The governor says Texas Bryan needs to honor its commitments. Whether Bryan officials do it on their own or by legal action, the governor says it's up to them.